Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. Today I have another journal. This one is a tall journal. I was thinking of making it into a garden journal, but I mean it could be used for just about anything, but it does have a floral theme to it. It also has removable sections, removable pages inside, and I'll show you that in a sec. On the outside cover, it says grow. Beautiful pictures of flowers on the front and on the back. And it has an elastic closure that just wraps around like that. It has a beautiful chunky charm chain attached to the spine, and it's attached with a lobster claw clasp. So this can easily be removed if you prefer not to keep the charms on there. You can attach these to your purse if you like, or just leave them on like that. So I'll just show you quickly the beautiful beads. These were mostly from vintage pieces of jewelry, and there are some newer beads in there as well. And I've got a few charms that I attached to the end. I have a little butterfly, and there's a cactus. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little cat, and a leaf. So it's quite heavy. There's quite a few beads on here. And it also comes with a paperclip bookmark, and it's got a little dangle chain with a ship's wheel on it, and it's got a floral motif. So I'll just leave that aside. Inside the cover there's a little pocket where you can slide something behind there. Now I've got two inserts, and there's room for two more inserts, or just regular pages that you can slide behind these elastics. There's a total of 4 elastics, so these can slide out. And you can also add some more sheets of paper in there with this insert if you like, but this just slides out like that. So it's easy to add some more pages, or if you want to make some more of these inserts. I'll take you through it quickly. I attached some duct tape to solidify the spine, and I've got some trim on there as well. And when you open it, there's some more trim on the inside. There's a little envelope, and there's some paper inside there. I've got some tea-stained pages, and this is beautiful paper, daisies with shimmer on it, and some old style paper, parchment paper, lined paper. I got some pockets with envelopes and tags inside. And here are some pictures of flowers from a book I had. Got some more sheets here. And this is an old index card I had. The corner's ripped, but I think it kind of just gives it character. Writing paper. And same thing here. Some of these sheets are older, so they're torn, but I included them anyways. I like having different textures in the journal. And here's an envelope with an image on one side. You can tuck some items in there. A little pocket. There's quite a variety of different papers. I guess it's kind of like glassine style paper, but it's thicker. You can see through it, but it's really pretty, very delicate. And then I've got some tags in the pocket here. And this one is similar. There's a little pocket there. And this special paper is roses with glitter. Another little envelope with little writing paper inside. More pretty pictures. Beautiful roses. Another index card. So there's the center again. You can add some more pages in there if you like. And in here also, if you have one of those small calendars, you could slide it underneath the elastic, and if you use this as a gardening journal, you can put your dates in there and what types of seeds you're using, or all sorts of information. When to plant, when to pluck. Another envelope. And then there's another little pocket on the back. So feel free to contact me if you have any questions. And you can also check out my other journals that I posted recently in my Etsy shop. So have a nice day. Happy journaling and happy crafting. Bye.